Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tool Deals, where we upload amazing tool deals every day. So today I've got amazing two deals, like for real. They are really good. So you don't want to miss both of them. The first one you can see here. This one is a Ryobi battery kit. Okay, that means that it comes with two batteries and one quick charger. Each battery is 4 amp hours. Okay, but don't leave yet. I'm gonna tell you what this thing is amazing. Okay, so you got these two batteries for $99. I'm gonna give you a reference. These are 3 amp hour batteries. Okay, so they hold a little bit less of a charge than the other ones, and they were $150 and now they're $99. So it's pretty much the same kit, but this one, it holds up the charge a little bit longer. So these are 4 amp hours. But the amazing thing about this deal, well, it says that it's not on sale, but it is. Trust me, they're on sale. These batteries are expensive, a lot more expensive than the other ones. So if you buy this one, if you add it to cart, you can add any of these tools for free. Okay, you can see here there's like a list that it's pretty long. You can choose any of these items. I'm just gonna give you an example. I didn't have a router, so I just ordered it right when I was planning this video. I ordered this one. This one was $70. So that means that this whole kit, I bought it for $30. Okay, so that's an amazing deal. I'm going to give you a reference. Also, just a few months ago, I think it was like 6 months ago or something, maybe longer, I don't know. I bought a kit similar to this. I bought this kit, the 3 amp hours. This one is a little bit better, but I'm just going to give you the reference. I got this kit and I bought a tool. I don't even remember what tool I bought because I've got a lot of them, but I got a tool and this one. I already had these batteries, pretty similar. I think they were like 2 amp hours or I don't know. But anyway, I didn't need the extra batteries. So what I did, I kept the tool and I sold the kit. I sold it online. It would be the equivalent to Craigslist. So I sold it there, and just the batteries, I posted them, and the same day, people started texting me, and I had 2 kits. So people started texting me, and I sold those 2 kits to the first 2 guys who came, and I sold them for $80. So I got a tool for $20. And as I said, I sold them right away, and they were the 3 amp hour batteries. These are the 4 amp hour batteries. So I'm pretty sure, like maybe in a few more months, I'll be able to sell these ones for $100. So I'll get the tool for free. As you can see here, you can choose a variety of tools. If you don't have one, or if you wanted to have like something fun, for example, this one, I think this is kind of cool. Oh, no, another one. This one is a rotary tool that lets you, I'm going to open it. So it's a rotary tool that lets you put the battery here, plug the battery, and this part is really thin. Most rotary tools like the Dremels and all that, that part is kind of bulky. This one is kind of holding like a Sharpie or something, so it makes it really cool. Okay, anyway, so yeah, that was the first deal. Before I forget, just subscribe to this channel with the little bell so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new deal. I don't know when this one is going to expire, so it seems that this is part of the Ryobi Days. I'm not really sure, but you better get it if you are planning on doing it, okay? You better get it soon because the stock is limited. And okay, I'm going to go to this one. This is the next deal. This is the Milwaukee Hole Dozer General Purpose Bimetal Hole Saw Set. It has 21 pieces. And the price is amazing. It was $169 and now it's $69. This price is not inflated. You know, it's not fake. It was $169. I looked it up in Amazon. It was $184. So it was even a little bit more expensive. Also, this one on Amazon, you can see, of course, it has like 5 stars, but only has 3 reviews. So I looked for something similar to look up the reviews. And look at that. This one has 63 reviews and it has 4.8, which is amazing. You can see also here on Home Depot, their reviews are amazing. Okay. Also, this one has what's called rib guard, which means that it has like really strong teeth, and also those teeth has lifetime warranty. So if one of them break, you've got lifetime warranty. Okay, you can just exchange them whenever you want. I mean, if a tooth breaks. It has like many perks. You can see here it comes with 2 arbors. They are quick change, this one. So it's really easy to put up. And also it comes with 5 pilot bits. And the case, everyone raves about the case. It seems that it's really sturdy and it keeps everything organized. It's really inconvenient to get these ones on their own without the box, you know, because sometimes you just have like a whole pile of whole sauce. It's a pain. But this one comes with a really nice sturdy case. So yeah, these are the 2 deals for today. I recommend you getting this one today because look at this. This one ends in pretty much 12 hours. Okay, so if you want to get this one, don't think about it too much. Just get it. Okay, I'm gonna get it for sure. I already got the other deal, and I'm gonna get this one as soon as I'm done recording this video. But this is a really good deal. And just so you know, just to make things fair, I'm not promoting Home Depot or anything. If you just want something, for example, these, since they're so high duty, you can use them on hardwood, on metal, or on drywalls, or whatever you want. If you just want to make holes on a drywall, I recommend you this one. Go to Harbor Freight. This is the regular price. You can get a decent set for $15. Okay, these ones are not gonna last you a lifetime. Okay, these ones are okay if you want to drill holes on drywall, or if you want to make holes on a stud, for example, on just like a few. But these ones are not gonna last you a lifetime. Okay, and also these ones might be a pain kind of to remove the plug. The other one, this one comes with those little holes which make it easier. Okay, so again, these are like high-end tools, but if you want something cheap just to get the job done, you're gonna be fine with this one. Okay, guys. Okay, remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any of these deals, and also please give this video a like so you can help me grow this channel even faster. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.